what we're going to do is, I've taken a hot plate, because they wanted us to do it with a candle and a flame and yada yada. And I said, I don't think that's what we're going to do. So I've taken a hot plate and I put aluminum foil on top of it. Now, is aluminum a good conductor of heat and electricity?
Yep.
Yes. So the aluminum, the only thing that it is serving a purpose is that I don't have all these things possibly melting on my hot plate, because that is not what I want. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to read my label. This is calcium chloride, and I'm going to find my calcium chloride, and I'm just going to put a little bit on there. Citric acid. A little pile on the citric acid square that I made. I know that I just screwed this up before, so I'm going to put that there. Here is my unknown. Okay? Put that there. Sodium chloride. And sucrose. Now you guys probably don't have a very good view of these. You're going to have to write down the description of them. So when you're picking them up later on to do your part of the lab, the solubility and the conductivity, make sure that you write down what the description is. All I'm simply going to do is I'm going to turn the heat on to about 5, and we're just going to sit and watch to see if anything happens with this. You got a good angle on that or not?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good angle. Yeah. Okay. So, just making sure it's heating up. Oh yeah, it's getting a little bit warmer. Yeah. It'll take a little bit of time to heat up. But what we're looking for, remember we said it was relative. Obviously, I'm not going to get a temperature off of this. So what I need to do is say, okay, is something melting and what order? Did the sodium chloride melt first? So we're trying to get a order of yes, it did melt, no, it did not melt. Which one melted first? Because if it melts first, it has what? The lowest melting point. Okay, the lowest melting point. I don't see much of anything happening yet. This is almost like watching paint dry. Oh yeah, we're getting warm. It's getting warmer. I don't think turning the heat up will do much good.
We should try that.
Huh?
You tried this morning.
Well, yeah, but it's like turning your air conditioner down at home. You know, if you turn it really, really low, it's not going to get cooler any faster because it's got to do it at a certain rate. All right, we'll blast it. See if that does any good. We're going on 5 minutes here. Pretty exciting, I know. I bet something happens though. What do you think?
No.
No?
I think they're all just salt.
They're all just salt? Well, I smell something happening now.
My description is white.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend using your description to be it's white. Okay? I would say that you probably want to have a little bit better detail than white.
Oh, I smell spread.
Yeah, I smell something happening, but I don't know whether that's something that was previously on the well, I see something happening too.
Yeah, that one, citric acid.
I want to see a fireball.
Yeah, you can see it because it has like a little fire.
You need to, folks, you need to make your observations because I'm not making them for you.
Oh, Jesus.
But make sure you have your goggles on if you're over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that one's going too.
So do you just want numbers like where or the boiling point?
However you note it.
The unknown's going too.
Oh my god. No, we're at the mountain. Nothing is happening to salt.
I'm writing words down. I put 1, 2, 3. Makes me feel scared. I'm going to
She curses for me.
Okay, you can go ahead and stop.